Hello friends, I Sushant K. Merai, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department from R.N.G. Patel Institute of Technology, Bardoli. In today's video lecture session, we will discuss about two-stroke petrol engine and diesel engine from this subject, Basics of Mechanical Engineering. In this video lecture session, we will cover working of two-stroke petrol engine, working of two-stroke diesel engine, and difference between two-stroke engine and four-stroke engine. Now first, working of two-stroke petrol engine. This is the line diagram of two-stroke petrol engine. Here the piston is at TDC. At that time the fresh charge means mixture of petrol and air is in compressed condition. At that time, with the use of electric spark plug, the spark is generated in this combustion fuel or combustion area. In this combustion area, when the spark is generated, the compressed fresh charge is at present here, and with the use of this spark, the fresh charge is heated or burned by this electric spark. With the use of this burning of combustion fuel or combustion of fresh charge, the heat energy is produced in this cylinder. With the use of this high temperature heat and force, the piston is travel from TDC to BDC. When the piston is travel from TDC to BDC, at that time the inlet port is completely closed and transfer port is open. When the transfer port is open, at that time the exhaust port is also open and the burned gases is come out from the cylinder to the atmosphere, because the temperature and pressure difference in the cylinder and the atmosphere is difference. That's why this pressure difference generate to accept the exhaust gases means burnt gases into the cylinder from the atmosphere. Now when the transfer port is open, the fresh charge which is coming from the inlet port is transferred into the crankcase, and when the piston is travel from TDC to BDC, the pressure is generated or the fresh charge is compressed, and this compressed fresh charge is transferred through this transfer port into the piston overhead or cylinder area. This fresh charge is also pushes the burnt gases to come out from the cylinder to the atmosphere. This sweeping of burnt gases come out from cylinder to the atmosphere. This sweeping process is known as scavenging process. When the scavenging process is completed, at which time, when the piston is come from BDC to TDC and the exhaust port is completely closed and the transfer port is also completely closed, that time the inlet port is open. From the inlet port, the fresh charge is enter into the crankcase and the cycle is continue in the working condition. Now we are understand this petrol engine means two-stroke petrol engine with this animated video. Here we can see that at the TDC the spark is generated and the compressed fresh charge is burned, and with the use of this heat energy, force is generated to push the piston TDC to BDC. When the piston is came to TDC to BDC, firstly the exhaust port is open and burnt gas is move into the atmosphere. At the same time, the transfer port is also open, and from that the fresh charge which is coming from the inlet port into the crankcase is compressed by the piston from TDC to BDC, and this compressed fresh charge is transferred through the transfer port into the combustion area or over the or on the piston head. This is the working of two-stroke petrol engine. Now we are move further for our second topic, two-stroke diesel engine. This is the line diagram of two-stroke diesel engine. There is only two main difference between the two-stroke petrol engine and two-stroke diesel engine. One is the fuel injector. In the petrol engine, we are using the spark plug is replaced in the diesel engine by the fuel injector. And second one is air intake. In petrol engine, from the inlet port, we are entering the fresh charge, means mixture of petrol and air through the carburetor, while in the diesel engine only fresh charge is entered through the air filter into the crankcase. Now we are discussion about how to work the two-stroke diesel engine. First, the piston is at TDC. When piston is TDC, the compressed air at high temperature, that is called self-ignition temperature, at a high temperature and pressure, at that time the fuel injector inject the diesel spray in atomized form. When the diesel is spray in this self-ignited temperature air, the diesel is ignited automatically and we get the combustion or heat. With the use of this heat, the piston is travel from TDC to BDC, and at that time when the piston is travel from TDC to BDC, firstly the exhaust port is open. With this exhaust port, the burnt gases is come out from the cylinder to the atmosphere. Also, the transfer port is open. From this transfer port, we can supply the fresh air which is came from the inlet port into the crankcase and which is compressed by the piston when the piston is travel from TDC to BDC. This compressed air is transferred through the transfer port when the piston is travel from TDC to BDC, and this fresh charge which is coming from the transfer port is also pushes the exhaust burn gases to accept into the atmosphere. This our diesel engine, means two-stroke diesel engine, is working here. Now last point, difference between two-stroke and four-stroke engine. The main difference in two-stroke and four-stroke engine is, firstly, in four-stroke engine there are using valve for the transfer of fresh charge and exhaust gases came out from the engine to the atmosphere. In two-stroke engine, valve is replaced by the port, that means inlet port, transfer port and exhaust port. In four-stroke petrol engine, 2 complete revolution is required for 1 complete cycle. In two-stroke engine, 1 complete revolution is required for 1 complete cycle. The power is generated at every alternative revolution of crankshaft, while in two-stroke engine, every crank revolution we get the power. For this, the flywheel is required in heavy size in the four-stroke petrol engine. When the flywheel is required is lighter in size in two-stroke engine. The thermal efficiency of the four-stroke petrol engine is higher than the two-stroke petrol engine, but the mechanical efficiency of the two-stroke engine is higher than the four-stroke engine, because in the two-stroke engine the moving parts is less as compared to four-stroke engine. These are the main basic difference of two-stroke engine and four-stroke engine. Thank you all to listen patiently to me. In this video lecture session, we have discussed about working of two-stroke petrol engine, working of two-stroke diesel engine, and the difference between two-stroke engine and four-stroke engine. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel Learning Hub 220 and like and share it. Also press the bell icon to get the new updated video lecture. Thank you all. Jai Hind.